Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have already prepped my skin and now I'm just going in with the color correction. So this is a very simple tutorial on how you can create a daily makeup look for yourself. But I really do not skip my color correction because my foundation tends to look gray around my mouth and around my eyes because of the hyperpigmentation. So this is totally optional. You can do it only if you really have a lot of hyperpigmentation, or else you can directly go in with the foundation. So for this I'm using the Inside foundation. This is very lightweight and it gives you buildable medium to high coverage. So I really like this foundation because it's also very inexpensive and it blends really smoothly. It's really nice. You can definitely try this. Make sure that you get the correct shade option, because then it's gonna be a problem, because you have to buy it online. I don't think it's really available in a lot of stores. So I'm just using my PAC foundation brush and blending out the foundation on my entire face. I'm going to skip concealer for this video because I'm keeping this video really simple. So as I've already color corrected around my eyes, I don't really need a lot of coverage because this foundation does give a lot of coverage. Now using the Fit Me compact powder, this is a really good compact powder. As you see, I have used almost most of it. I've hit pan on this one. So this gives really good coverage, as I have mentioned, and they have a lot of shades also available in it. So just a little bit of this powder sets everything in place, and you can use it by itself also if you want. While I go out, I just use this compact by itself and it actually gives me a lot of coverage. So you can definitely go for this compact. It's really good. I'm then going in with my sugar blush. I am not using the blush on my cheeks. As you can see, I'm using it on the outer corners of my face, because that is how you get a lifted and a slimmer look. As I have mentioned in one of my videos, if you want to get a fuller look, use it only on the cheeks, and if you want to get a more sculpted look, use it on the outer perimeters of your face, just like how I'm doing. Then I'm just doing my brows with my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is a very regular step. I do this every single day. This pencil is really good. You can definitely go for this. It makes everything much easier, and it's not messy like those powders and stuff, and it gives you very precise eyebrows. So you can definitely go for this pencil. So to begin with the main part of the video, the eyeliner. So make sure that you do not have excess eyeliner and always look straight, okay, the way I'm looking. And then just extend a wing on the outer corner and then bring it back in. That is all that you have to do. I know it's not really easy. It does require a lot of practice. But if you keep doing it, you will get the hang of it. And make sure that the outside tip is really pointed and you just join it halfway through. Do not go full way inside, because then it's gonna look really bulky and too much, because we are applying kajal on the lower lids. Again, for the inner corners, make sure that you just connect it to the lash line and bring it down. You don't have to go upwards. Join the slope, it's like downwards, right? You can see that line on my eye. So I'm just pulling it downwards and then connecting it to the lower lash line. That's all that I do. And then after that, when I use a kajal, everything is gonna look like a nice straight line, and it's gonna look all connected. So I'm using the L18 kajal and I'm just applying a coat of it. It's very dark and black. You can definitely go this one, and go with this one, and it's really inexpensive. So that is what I love about this kajal. So I'm just applying it on my entire waterline and making sure that it is really thick and really nicely applied. After that, I'm taking powder black eyeshadow, okay, like black eyeshadow, and just placing it on top, because if you're gonna apply kajal just like that, it's gonna smudge. So applying eyeshadow on it is gonna lock it in place, and it's not going to smudge or move the whole day. Also, by doing this, I get that nice smudged look. It just doesn't look like a line. So as you can see, I was really satisfied with the way my liner turned out. I'm then curling my lashes with the eyelash curler. I know it looks scary and dangerous, but it's not. If you do it carefully, this is a very useful product. It instantly curls your lashes and gives them a very lifted look. I love using this, so definitely you can give this a try, but you can skip it as well. I'm then using my Mars Fabulash mascara. This has two steps. Step 1 is for length and step 2 is for volume. So I'm first using the first step, which instantly gives like huge length to my lashes. You can see the difference on the left side of my left eye there is no lashes. You can see they are non-existent, but once I apply this you can instantly see, like, the curve on my lashes and how thick they look. So this is just the step 1. So after this I'm gonna continue with the step 2, that is the volume part of the mascara. I'm also using this on my lower lashes because then everything is gonna look even more dramatic and it's gonna look like you have actually put in a lot of effort. So once I'm done with this, I will just do the step 2 of it, that is for volume. So you see how simple that was, and it looks really good and it just transformed my whole eye. So I'm just gonna do this to my other eye as well. That was all for the eye makeup. I am now going in with the nude lipstick that is from Insight. It's called Stay Basic, and that is all for this video, guys. This is a very simple everyday makeup look. Trust me, just try it and you are gonna love it. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also to like, comment and share my content. And thank you so much for subscribing and watching. Have a great day.